Economist Zane Pilzer, a multimillionaire entrepreneur, professor, and the author of 8 best-selling books, wants to share his latest research with you.
Wellness has skyrocketed from $200 billion in sales in 2002 to approximately $500 billion in 2007, and the meter is still running. By the year 2012, wellness will join the $2 trillion healthcare industry, the $1 trillion PC industry, and the $1.3 trillion food industry as the next trillion-dollar industry in our economy. And yet, the majority of opportunities in wellness still await the individual entrepreneur. New management techniques and forms of business organization, like direct selling, can allow you even better technology than if you were part of a large corporation. This trend will continue. In my 2002 book, The Wellness Revolution, it was the shot heard round the world for the wellness industry. This book was the first to define wellness as an industry, linking hundreds of thousands of disparate service and product suppliers with a single cause. It showed like-minded scientists, fitness providers, business people, food manufacturers, restaurant owners, wellness product distributors, doctors, and so many others focused on disease prevention and anti-aging that they were part of a worldwide revolution, not just a lone iconoclast inside their chosen profession or industry. But so much has changed in the world economy, in technology, and in new legislation favoring the individual over the organization that I needed to write 2 new books, The New Wellness Revolution and The Next Millionaires. Since 2002, wellness has grown to a $500 billion industry. Over the past 5 years, millions of people have had their first wellness experience. They lost weight, got stronger, eliminated chronic disease, and so many other things that they previously thought couldn't happen to them. With this enormous 250% growth since 2002, the market and the business opportunity for wellness has greatly expanded. The opportunity has never been better for anyone to become an entrepreneur in the wellness industry, because millionaires, and particularly new millionaires who earn their fortunes in wellness, are the fastest growing minority in the United States and the developed world today.
Due to fundamental changes in the world economy, in technology, and in new legislation favoring the individual over the organization, we're beginning a period of democratization of wealth that is unprecedented in history.
But we are not taking from the rich and giving to the poor. We are creating new wealth in which everyone who chooses to can share.
Today, more than 10 million U.S. households have a net worth of $1 million or more, and that's just the beginning. By 2016, there will be 20 million U.S. millionaire households. Each household represents approximately 2.5 people, meaning that 50 million Americans will soon live in a household with a net worth of $1 million or more. Millionaires are the fastest growing minority in the United States and the developed world today. And as people become millionaires or just increase their wealth on the way to becoming one, the most important thing they desire with their newfound wealth is wellness. The more people increase their wealth, the greater proportion of their income they spend on wellness.
It makes perfect sense. As you start feeling better, having more energy, and living a longer life, you share with others and build wealth.
And the more money you have when you're healthier and living a longer life, the more you can enjoy everything else that your wealth has afforded you.
Great success is now more than ever before in human history about making a choice. Of course, your education, your parents, and other factors outside your control play a role, but the largest determinants of success today are the choices you make. It is time now for you to make a choice. The choice to become one of, or help create more of, the next 10 million millionaire households that will be created in the next 10 years.
There are many paths to success you can choose.
However, the trends and odds are stacked in favor of those who choose the emerging wellness industry.
Starting a wellness business creates a strong opportunity for you to make a lot of money and to help others live a more enriched life, physically, spiritually, and financially.
So you're probably thinking, how can I stake my claim in the wellness industry?
Let's face it, though, many people are not doctors, health professionals, or experienced business people. You may be asking yourself, what is the best place for me to get started in wellness without putting my savings or job at risk? One of my favorites, particularly for new entrepreneurs and for busy individuals looking for extra cash, is direct selling. which is also called referral marketing, network marketing, or multi-level marketing. But whatever it's called, it's something anyone can do. Education doesn't matter, experience doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is your passion for helping others to achieve optimal health. Moreover, with a home-based business, you don't have to go through the traditional hiring process or risk a large cash investment. And the personal growth and training provided by most direct selling opportunities can be positive and life-changing whether or not one opts to pursue the business to create wealth or help our world enjoy optimal health.
If you're just getting started or are already an experienced business person, the direct selling industry is a great place to create your wellness fortune.
Would you like to enjoy the time freedom and the financial freedom having your own home-based business will allow you?
You can make as much as you're willing to work for.
You can even work part-time until your business takes off.
I am so supportive of the direct selling industry today, mostly because it allows anyone to succeed without first having to pass through a gatekeeper who decides your future based on your past. And it also allows people to make their own decision to succeed and then to get the training they need from people who only succeed when they succeed.
Direct selling works because one-to-one personal conversations are the best way to learn brand new information about a completely new product or way of doing something.
The person who can teach or share with me new ways of doing things is one of the most important people in my life. The wellness advisors who introduce me to a product that will stop the pain in my knees. These are the people whose services I value. I do business with people whose services might cost a bit more than what I might find on the internet, but because they're always teaching me something or adding value, they're more than worth it. The more new products come along, the more I need these people to advise and educate me about them.
Direct selling is the single most effective medium we have today for teaching people about new products and services that will improve their lives, either products or services they didn't know existed or ones they did know that have now become affordable.
One of the other great things I like about direct selling is its ability to create residual income, the type of income common in virtually all millionaire households today. Residual income is income that continues to flow after the work that created it has been completed. Income that is, in other words, residue remaining from the original effort. Not everyone is going to develop a significant piece of income-generating real estate, or not everyone is going to write a best-selling book, both of which can create residual income. But direct selling provides the opportunity open to anyone, regardless of background, specialized skills, or net worth, to create a significant residual income. In direct selling, the property that you develop is the network of friends, family, and acquaintances whose sales volume generates a commission to you, the creator of the network.
Today, many direct selling businesses offer wellness products, scientifically engineered supplements, standardized nutritional products, and life-enhancing juices.
The list goes on and on. Which is the best product for you? Look closely at the research.
Look at the scientific studies, note the benefits, and then try to make an educated decision on which one to try.
First, as a customer, and then when you're feeling better, looking better, and feel like stepping out into the world and sharing, well, then you've taken the first step into becoming one of the next millionaires in the wellness industry.
Many of the next 10 million millionaires and many of the next great fortunes to be made in wellness will be made in the direct selling industry. Together, 10 million new millionaires are about to be created in the next 10 years. The $500 billion wellness industry will reach $1 trillion in the next 5 years. And the new direct selling industry, with its focus on intellectual versus physical distribution, have all created a perfect storm of opportunity for new entrepreneurs to make their fortunes in an industry that does incredible good: wellness.
Never before in history has a business opportunity had the potential to have such an incredibly positive impact on the lives of its customers.
This message can do more than revolutionize the way you think about your present financial situation.
It can educate you about the emergence of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
And inspire you and everyone you know to help each other live better, healthier, wealthier lives.
The resolve that we would like you to consider is, I will take action now to change my life for the better.
And I will become financially free.
Get back with the person who shared this message with you and stake your claim in the soon-to-be $1 trillion industry, wellness.